Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group one, and we're gonna talk about our planning in making drama, and we're gonna talk about our script. The title is The Empty Script, but before that, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Ahmad Hasnaya Sutikno with last to the number 166. And my
name is
friends.
Arzena. My name is Arzena Nisa Rasida with the last student number 163.
My name is Juni Octavia Ramadhani with the last student number 176.
My name Daniel Batana with last started number 110.
My name is Muhammad Nuruddin with last number 169.
Okay, my name is Aisha Kamila with the last number 177.
Okay, so before we talk about the characters, let me tell you about the whole story. So this drama tells the story of several university students who participate in a scientific writing competition. Behind the competition, there are pressures, ambitions, and moral dilemmas that affect each character differently. So the story mainly focuses on Mawar, a student who struggles with burnout and family pressures.
Okay, next. In this drama, there are six main characters. The first one, Mawar, as a university student who experienced burnout because of her mother's high expectations. The second one is Melati, as a smart but financial struggling student who is very ambitious. Third, Busara, as Mawar's mother who is strict and controlling. Fourth, Siska, Melati's close friend who is cynical and pragmatic. Fifth, Raka, as Mawar rival who is manipulative and wants recognitions. And lastly, Dimas, as a senior student, the head of the competition committee who values fairness and integrity.
Okay, the scene one is the beginning of pressure. This is introduction, the first act of the beginning of the conflict. In the campus corridor, Dimas announces the final group division for the scientific writing competition. Mawar is placed in the same team with Melati. Meanwhile, Raka becomes Mawar's rival and starts mocking her, saying that she looks exhausted and incapable. After that, the scene moves to Mawar's house. Her mother, Busarah, pressures Mawar to win competition. She is threatened to take away all of Mawar's facilities if she fails. This scene shows how much pressure Mawar is under.
Okay, and the next text two is the Devil Deal. In the second act, the conflict becomes more complicated. Power approached Melati and offered a deal. She promised to pay Melati money if Melati writes the entire scientific paper for their team. Power only wants her name on the project so that her mother will be satisfied. At first, Melati refuses because it is unethical. However, Siska persuades her to accept the offer because Melati urgently needs money to pay her tuition and living expense. In the end, Melati agrees to the deal.
So the next scene is in 3, toxic relationship. In the third act, the relationship between Mawar and Melati becomes toxic. Weeks later, in the library, Melati becomes very demanding. and starts yelling at Mawar for making mistakes in the research data. Mawar, who is already mentally exhausted, experiences a panic attack. Unfortunately, Raka secretly records their conversation. He plans to use the recording to expose them.
Okay, now the next is scene 4, Raka's plan. In the fourth act, Raka executes his plan. He gives the recording to Dimas as evidence that Mawar and Melati cheated in the competition. Raka even calls Mawar's mother to come to campus so that the situation becomes more dramatic and humiliating for Mawar. Dimas becomes angry because he realizes that Raka intentionally manipulates the situation.
So for the last is scene 5, the climax and the ending. The final act takes place in the committee room. All characters gather there, including Mawar's mother, Busarah. Busarah confronts Mawar angrily after hearing about the cheating. The situation becomes chaotic as each character blames each other. And finally, Mawar admits the truth and expresses all the pressures she has been feeling. She realizes that everyone in the room is driven by ambition and expectations. She chooses to accept the consequences and asks to be disqualified. In the end, Mawar and Melati are disqualified from the competition. Raka technically wins the competition, but Dimas reminds him that his victory comes from destroying someone who was already struggling. The drama ends with a feeling of emptiness and reflection.
Okay, so in conclusion, Kertas Kosong or the empty script explores themes such as academic pressure, ambition, ethics, and mental health. It shows how competition and expectations can push people to make difficult and sometimes unethical decisions.
So that's our draft story title Kertas Kosong or the empty script for our drama. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.